In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get more subscribers on YouTube. Our channel currently gets hundreds of new subscribers every week, and we just hit 50,000 subscribers. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing so that you can replicate it for yourself. I'm John Lincoln, digital marketing expert and CEO of Ignite Visibility. Let's go ahead and dive into these actionable tips so that you can grow your YouTube subscribers fast. Before you get started, make sure to click the notification bell and make sure to subscribe so that you can get more videos like this in the future. Okay, so how did a guy in an office like this get 50,000 YouTube subscribers? What were the tips and tactics that we used? Well, in the next couple minutes, I'm going to walk you through all those really quickly in this short, actionable video. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, make sure to leave a like and leave a comment below if you have any questions. I appreciate it. But let's go ahead and dive into these actionable tips. First, you need to take the time to set up your channel correctly. One of the most important things you can do is have a banner at the top that tells people what your channel is all about. And in addition to that, you need to create a channel trailer. What's a channel trailer? Well, that's the main trailer that people see when they come to your channel that tells you everything your channel's about. Inside of that video, you want it to be super exciting and ask people to subscribe so that when they come to that homepage that you have on YouTube, they're going to watch it and they're going to want to subscribe. That's going to get you subscribers coming in really consistently without much effort. Number two, you want to make sure you have an end screen on every single video, and you want to have a persistent button in the lower right-hand corner that asks people to subscribe. These two things are really important. The end screen is going to show up in the last 15 to 30 seconds, and that's going to be where you ask people to subscribe, and it's also going to have the option for people to watch an additional video. I'll get more into that in a minute. Along those lines, with showing the additional video, you want to do your keyword research, and you want to figure out what are a cluster of topics that you can create around one keyword. The way YouTube works, it's a recommendation engine, and you want to make sure that you create a really tight focus for your channel around a certain type of content. Is it going to be about birds, or is it going to be about biking, or is it going to be about search engine optimization? Regardless, make sure that you have mapped one specific keyword and then all the keywords around that that you want to rank for in YouTube, and you create really tight content around that. When you do that, somebody's going to watch one video, then they're going to watch the next one, and the next one, and the next one. They're going to go down that YouTube rabbit hole, and that's going to get you many more views over time and allow you to rank better and better inside of YouTube. One of the most important things, and the next thing is, have a hook at the beginning of each video. What did I say at the beginning of this video? Let's wind it back. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get more subscribers on YouTube. Our channel currently gets hundreds of new subscribers every week, and we just hit 50,000 subscribers. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing so that you can replicate it for yourself. I said I'm going to teach you how to get more subscribers. My channel currently gets hundreds of subscribers a week. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing so you can replicate it. That's an example of a hook. You have to take the time to have a good hook. Otherwise, nobody's going to watch your videos and they're not going to get invested in it. Next, keep it snappy and keep it moving quick. At any point in time, somebody can jump out and say, I'm over this content. I don't want to watch anymore. So don't have any boring downtime. You want to keep it upbeat. You want to keep it exciting. You want to make sure that if possible, you script out as much of the video as you can. You're competing with a lot of other videos out there online, so you want to make sure that you put in the time to make yours the best for that specific keyword. Next, a great description and a thumbnail that pop are critical. Bright colors, highlighting text, putting something that somebody wants very bold inside of the thumbnail, creating a thumbnail that pops out from everything else on YouTube, that's critical. Now, finally, one of the most important things that I want you to really make sure you take advantage of. Too many people don't do this. You need to really promote every single video. When you promote a video through an email newsletter, or you promote a video through advertising, or through push notifications, or through sharing it on another social channel, that makes it so that it gets more likes, it gets more comments, it gets more views off of YouTube, and YouTube takes notice. They're going to make it so that video ranks higher. So make sure you actually have a checklist promotion strategy around every single video that you push out there, including embedding it on a blog, advertising it, email marketing, push notifications, sharing it on social media, and anything else you can do to get more embeds, get more shares, get more likes, get more comments. With these simple tips, you can easily break 10,000, 20,000, 100,000 subscribers on YouTube if you just stay focused, stay niche, and have a big enough total addressable market. I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave me a comment below, subscribe. I can't wait to see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.